Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the multi-camo colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it.
My kidney, yeah. Look, gimme, yeah. On my throne, I am the king of Salt Lake City, yeah.
Before we actually get into the shoes, I am leaving links to places dropping this shoe in the description below. That's places dropping on release day, places holding raffles, all that good stuff. So definitely check out that information below. I will also talk about resale, but before we do that, let's just take a look at these shoes. Bam! The Nike Dunk Low in the multi-camo colorway. These things are straight fire. The camo was different on both pairs. So we also have this one here, and as you guys can see, every panel comes with a different type of camo. Got some white camo up in the front, different tones in the back. This one has more of like this orange camo up in the front where it's like green camo in the back. So just different tones, different types of camo thrown on the shoe, and I actually really like it. Then you also got a lot of green. You got the Nike tag up at the top, white logo, green lining, green insole, got an orange Nike logo on the insole. So one interesting thing about this Nike Dunk compared to other Nike Dunks is the tongue seems to be more padded. I don't know how good you guys can see this, but it's definitely a lot softer. It's a thicker tongue. It just seems more padded, where usually SB Dunks come with a padded tongue because it's more for skateboarding, and the normal Dunks have more of a thin tongue. But this one, for whatever reason, they put more padding in the tongue. I actually really like it. I don't have a problem with it. I just thought that was pretty interesting. So yeah, your outer lays camo, green Nike swoosh. Then you got this like white canvas-like material on the underlays. So it's a white fabric type material. You got a white midsole, solid green outsole. The shoe does come with just white laces. You could probably try and find some green. One set of laces I would really want to throw on this shoe is this orange color right here. If I can find orange laces, that color, or even the yellow, I think that would look really dope on the shoe. Maybe on this one have orange and the other shoe have yellow. But I actually like this shoe a lot more than I thought I was going to, and the reason is I thought it was just going to be too much, just too loud. You know, all the different tones of camo, different colors. That's usually not my style. I keep it pretty simple, but this right here, it just collides together very nicely. And I also like the fact that it's primarily white. There's a lot of white going on in this shoe, where they do have the black camo version, which it looks all right, but I think this one just looks way cleaner. It can go with a lot more outfits. As you guys will see in the on-foot part of this video, I tried it with some light blue jeans. I tried it with some black pants from Black Taylor. Also tried it with some Soul Luxury shorts. If you guys don't know, Soul Luxury is my brand. The link will be in the description below, so go check it out. I sell sneakers, streetwear, my own clothing. Definitely happy with this purchase. This is something that's just gonna stay in the collection and hopefully get some decent wear out of it. I think with the fall season coming up, I'm gonna have a lot of opportunities to wear this shoe. You know, this shoe is gonna look really nice, especially if you wear some darker clothes with it. So like some black pants, you guys will see those Black Taylor pants that I wear in this video. They go with this, like, that is the best look in my opinion, just because the white underlays, it just draws attention to the shoe, and then you can see all the fine details with the camo and, you know, the little hints of green. This is gonna be a very nice shoe for the fall time. When it comes to dunks, I always go true to size, so I recommend you do the same if you are looking to get a pair. Now with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Steady creeping, you can see it in his eyes. Traumatized, but he never let the pain show. He started blowing on the haze color indigo. Lost boy trying to make it out of Neverland, but he couldn't make it past the hook like he was Rufio. So he learned to navigate the trenches in the back streets. Track meet, doing numbers like an athlete. Couldn't tell him nothing till he slipped and caught a rap sheet. Almost caught an L when them hyenas let the max sing. Wait, how do you teach the young man how to play the game of life when we dealt the bad hand? Anytime he think he moving, he caught in the quicksand. Never knew he had it in him, he thought he was unplayed. Fuck a 9 to 5 and gave myself a promotion. I ain't living no average life. Every day keep passing by. I done came up, better change my luck, had to get my swagger right. Couldn't cut it with a suit and tie. White tee, fresh kicks I like. 3 missed calls trying to figure out which one that I wanna smash tonight. Look, We on a date, she wanted surf and turf. But I told her, slow it down, little babies, that's some shit you deserve. She in the feelings talking about you got a lot. Wasn't good at math, but he ran it up. He been in the gym, now we tatted up. Pussy by the plenty, couldn't crack enough. Still in disbelief of all the shit he had to overcome. Calling all the bulls, he the king now. He's the leader of his very own regime now. Wow, might've took a little time, but he got it on his mind. Got to put the shit on paper, put the pen. It's kinda funny how we grow up with big dreams. The cars, the flat screens, we sick with the ambition. Reality vaccines, the poachers and outlaws exploiting your downfalls. You're hoping for home runs, they throwing you curveballs. The lights are dim low, the cash you move.
And bam, the Nike Dunk Low in the multi-camo white colorway. Now let's get into resale. This shoe retails at $110 US, and currently on places like StockX, it's going for around $200, give or take $25, depending on the size. I honestly think that price is gonna hold up after release day. It might go down to like $160, but that's probably the lowest I see this shoe going. And then real quickly, I could see it going up to $250. So this is one that I think as people get in hand, they're gonna like it a lot more, which a lot of people already really like this shoe and they're excited for this release. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. What do you think of it on foot? What are your resale predictions? Are you gonna go for this shoe? Are you gonna try to flip, keep it in the collection? Let me know all that good stuff. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.